I think it would be extremely good for almost anybody with fixed ideas and with a great certainty about what's what to take this thing.
LSD is the most dangerous drug that we have in the world today.
Acid is good for you, kids. Go.
If you can reach a firm verdict about the right to use this fascinating, beneficent, but dangerous drug from purely personal experience, I envy you.